Okay, raise your hand if you like movies about heroes who decide to give up their lives to protect and serve others. I bet if we were in the same room together, we'd see a lot of hands. But have you ever really thought about why someone making the ultimate sacrifice resonates so deeply in our hearts? We even go so far as to call that glorious in movies and in real life as well. But why? What's ever glorious about death? Well, think about it. Whether it's a fictional character like Tony Stark or historical characters in a war movie, they all have one thing in common. These protagonists see others suffering from all manner of villainy or injustice, and they decide to do something about it. They could have stayed in peace, safety, and quiet, but instead they decide to fight. So what does this have to do with Christmas and the crucifixion? Easy. That's precisely what Christ did for us. Have you ever wondered how hard a sacrifice it must have been for God Himself to become a man? Can you even begin to imagine what that must have been like for Jesus to decide, I'm going to give up my comfort, my power, my freedom, and the intimate presence of my Father to become a man? But that's why the angels declared over Bethlehem's shepherds' fields, "Glory to God in the highest heaven, and on earth peace to those on whom His favor rests." The weighty, substantial Messiah had come to reveal our weighty, substantial God to us. And that glory found its fulfillment as Jesus would die on the cross in the most significant cause of all time: spiritual freedom for a world in rebellion and restoration for a creation broken by our sin. The most significant, substantial, and glorious person in all eternity willingly laid all of that aside to come to our rescue, and now has had that glory fully restored. What a mighty God we serve this Christmas and every other moment in our lives.